It's sad. I'm gonna have to go get that. Bye. They're not even extinct. It's probably from when I dropped it in the car. Whoops. Hey guys, welcome back to Life Eats with Me. Today I'm going to be in boxing or blind bag, whatever you want to call it, video today. So, I want you guys to comment down below, what do you think blind bags or things I'm going to be opening? I'm going to give you 2 seconds. 1, 2. So, if you guessed these Yokies, then you're right. Ding, 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 ding. So this one's name is Dirty. Got a pink one. Squishy. This one's Boof. This one's Nap. So I think I'm going to mix these up and close my eyes and pick one. Okay, this one. Blue, yay, Nap. Okay, now I'm going to set them aside. So I'm going to be opening Nap. He's blue with a red nose, red feet. And he has a leaf coming out of his mouth and a yellow belly. So let's open this one up. Oh, it's smashed, no! Let me try. Really good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next is the toy. I'm gonna open it. I'm not looking. You guys get the first pick. Hold on. I can never open it. Okay, you guys get the first pick. Not gonna guess. Alligator. It's not the alligator. I'll show you a close-up in a second. So this is an elephant, and it's vulnerable. That means it's in the middle of endangered. Well, it's close to endangered on here. This is an African bush elephant. Just the little tusks. Upside down and all treaties. Next is Dirty. If you guys see these at the store, at least buy one of them. The chocolate is extremely good. And toys are so fun to play with. And you can put them in your bag and stuff. I'm sad. Because so many people, when they see candy bars, they're like, squish them and mush them. Open it. You guys get the first peek. Is it a bird or a turtle? Pfft. This isn't even close to a bird or a turtle. Okay. Whatever this is, I'm gonna find out. So this is just like one of their mascots. Its name is Spark. I'm gonna have to go get that. Bye. This one's name is Spark. Spark. I don't think this is actually an animal. I think it's just like a cartoon. Next is the pink one. Hopefully it is not broken. Yay, it's not. The back is kind of, but break. Okay. Reveal. Okay. So I'll get this out. Here it is. This is a dinosaur. A lizard? Is it a lizard? Is that a lizard? It's called the store-nosed Charlo. A very accent name. They're not even extinct. So this isn't even extinct. I'm just gonna call it nosed. No, large nose there. I'll call it large nose. There it is. This is a long-nosed chameleon. There it is. Nice tail. That's very cool. This one cannot be broken. Look, I'll switch this one out for a different one. So it cannot be broken. If it is, I'm gonna be so mad at myself. Kind of broken. Let's see. It's broken. On the other side, that's fine. It's probably from when I dropped it in the car. Whoops. First piece. This one's like a panther. A tiger. How did I get panther or a tiger? That's not a panther or close to a tiger. It's a hippopotamus. Come on. How did I get panther or tiger? Okay. The vulnerable is a hippopotamus. And it is vulnerable. Look at this. Look at this. Its little feet. So that's all of my animals. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Tune in next time to see what we're doing. Where's the off button?